Hello and welcome to WordPress Tip of the Week. This is week number 32. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the MySQL update statement within the page template or functions.php. Okay, in our last video, we updated our staff page to add our new employee, Jill Morgan, in finance, making $82,000 per year. Now, let's say, for example, that you realize that you made a mistake. She doesn't make $82,000, she makes $72,000. Well, we need to change that. So let's go over how we're going to do that. Okay, so here we are back in our staff update template. Now let's go over what we're doing here. Now, the first name, last name, department are still the same as in the previous video, but in the salary, we changed it from $82,000 to $72,000, what it should be. Now, these next four lines have to do with updating the database. The function that we're using is update, so WPDB, which of course is our WordPress database global variable. We're passing it three things: the table, an array, and the where array. Okay, so the table is just as before, WPE2 underscore employees. Now the array, this is an array of what you are changing. Now this could be one element, two elements, or as many as you need. Now the where array, this is something unique about this particular record to identify. So it's pointing exactly where it has to be changed. And now in our case, if we look in the database, okay, we only have one person named Jill. So what we can do is we can use her first name, or we can use her last name, or we can use the unique ID. But in our case, let's just use her first name. Okay, so this is where her first name is being passed the string Jill. Okay, so that's all you need to do. So let's go ahead and click on Save Changes. Okay, we already did that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our staff update page and refresh, and then we're going to check our staff page to see if the changes have been made. Okay, so we're just about ready to hit enter for the staff update. As you can see, the staff page still says 82,000 as it should, because we haven't updated yet. So let's hit enter. Okay, now it didn't say anything, of course, because we didn't have it echo anything out. So let's go ahead and minimize this. Or actually, no, let's go into our staff page. We'll look at the staff page first, then the database. So we'll go into our staff page, and now her salary should be $72,000. Okay, and if we scroll down, we'll look at that. Her salary has been changed, so that's correct. And then, of course, we can see that in the database, which of course will be $72,000. Let's go ahead and refresh, and I'll change from 82 to 72. Okay, so that's how you can use MySQL Update to update information in the database, either through a page template or functions.php. Okay, well, this wraps up this week's WordPress Tip of the Week. I hope you liked this video, and I invite you to subscribe to our channel. And all new subscribers at the end of each month will be put into a drawing for a free WordPress course. So be sure to tell a friend. We'll also have fresh content coming out every Saturday throughout 2018. So this is week number 32, so we still have 20 more weeks to go. So until next week, take care. Bye.